Scheduling production downtime while meeting customer demands can be a constant challenge. Aspen Plant Scheduler can help you find the optimal time to schedule downtime and minimize impact on production. Let's take a deeper look. Aspen Mtell detects equipment degradation, predicts risk of failure, and generates a prioritized list of maintenance alerts. These alerts are then validated by a maintenance engineer and imported into Aspen Plant Scheduler through the Aspen One Synergies ribbon, allowing you to immediately see the impact of downtime on customer orders and production, indicated below in red. You can drag and drop downtime to assess the impact on production, or let the optimization algorithm find the best possible option to minimize impact. Next, you can compare the cost of all downtime options to minimize impact and choose the best fit. From here, schedulers confirm the downtime selection and then publish to Aspen Schedule Explorer for immediate plant-wide visibility, with your maintenance engineers also marking the downtime as planned and sending it to your enterprise asset management system. Become proactive with optimal downtime scheduling to minimize losses to production and take your operations to the next level of resiliency. Contact us at supplychain@aspentech.com to learn more.